Kuliah Bani Bro, section 4, mentang onora HP, kubur Laitkam Hikai. Kidon kumbasan tylli ki post ki balaj Laitkam Hikai, la kejong ki school. Dengan yaitu EP kawai balada kidon qualification sa kontak ki ya ki nomor phone ki balai ala kejong ki post. Kene ka baningkong kadai one assistant teacher Phan Nyaula Church of God Lower Primary School. Minimum qualification as per NCTE norms. A candidate should possess lower primary MTED. If you haven't passed, you can MTED. If you haven't passed, you can DLED, BA, and class 12 plus stage wrong. Namtak LP can day 12 pass above, but depth you can DLED. If you have depth, you can LP MTED. Age limit is 35 years for SC and ST and 38 for OBC. Salary is deficit system. Kane ka dejong deficit system. Tigno ba kwa ban apply kane lawan contact with secretary new number phone ladap ai. Khandai sao not ar san sao way in reu sao khandai lane khandai pran reu ar new san reu new. Ka last date kandai shitrik nebishpo arjar arfar. Tegi badan ka kwa ban apply kane lawan contact number belai. Kawai biang required assistant teacher, one assistant teacher, food teacher, no food teacher mah. At good SSA Upper Primary School under Maureng Keneng Block. Qualification given pass BA, lane BSc along with DLED, lane BEd. Candidate should possess Upper Primary MTED. Phaban pass yaka UP MTED certificate. Upper age limit is 40 years for SC/ST and 38 years for OBC. Salary is 18,000. Interested candidate send their application form to the secretary of the school on or before. Last date can day live September. This is the contact number. Pra lai nhiều sao nhiều way lai not. Laban contact number nam taban submit ki application jong phi. Don biang skumbalai tylli kenegoi application in standard form relevant documents invite the proposal of assistant teacher for mathematics and MIL khasi. Nartli hangne namta ka mathematics but khasi. Minimum qualification belong graduate lamdai BA mane BSc. BSc namta ka mathematics, BA namta ka MIL. BEd major in mathematics and BA BEd with khasi. Vernacular as one of the major subjects. Age as per governance. Last date of submission is 14 October. Nangdon por bhai kane last date kane 14 October 2022 till 3 p.m. Address to the Secretary Managing Committee Maupren Modern Higher Secondary School Shillong. Ekane bade ma submit phaban le shapo school jo Maupren Modern Higher Secondary School Shillong kham ai contact number e ekane. Phaban le I ban le me banta namtagi jingtep bakhamia. And second away part khasi deficit post qualification BA khasi lane MA khasi with BEd lamde BA with BEd lane MA khasi with BEd. Application should reach St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong on or before 24th September 2022 and written exam will be on 26th September 2022 at 10 a.m. Pihak ban me apo St. Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong namta kani. Te kelas tit kandai ar September barka written exam kandai ar September. Tang namta kini kijing pentip kuliah